Hello friends, today's topic is insert a node in last of linked list. This is our linked list. We already discussed the video how to create linked list, and please watch the previous video, and after watch this video I give the link of previous video and description box, and link of this program also give in description box. We start. Void create list is a function and display linked list is a function. We already discussed this in previous video. I start this video from this point. Void insert a node of end f let node and f node and temp is a node type variable, and I and num is a integer type variable. Temp struct node malloc size of node means malloc allocate the temp size, and temp equal to null means if temp is not created, then allocate, then execute this line. If less, else the temp is created, then execute this part. Insert a node is end of linked list. Num, we enter the value of num is 8. The temp value equal to num means temp point the value part this, and 8 is insert in this part. Temp next part equal to null means the next part of temp is this, and null is allocate in this part. F node equal to head means f node this, and this point the this point the first node is this, and the head of address of head is 100 means f node point the this node. While f node next part not equal to null, then execute this loop, and if null is loop is terminated. F node check the condition. F node next part not equal to null, condition is true, then execute this part. F node equal to f node next part means f node point the next part contain 200, and 200 point the this node, and the f node point the next node, and this link is removed, and f node point the this node, and the address of f node is 200. This is removed. Let's condition again check, and f node next part not equal to null, this condition is true, and f node point the 300 point the this node means the 300 is allocated in f node, this is removed, and address of f node is 300, and this link is removed, and next link is created. F node point the next node means a condition again check. Temp not f node next part not equal to null means the f node next part this null is condition is true, loop is terminated. F node next part equal to temp means The F node point the next part. Next part allocate in temp. The address of temp is 400. 400 is allocated in this part and null is removed. And for this block is point the next node. Next node this, and this link is linked with this node. The in our linked list last node is insert successfully. We execute this program. Enter the number who want node in the linked list. We enter the value is 3. Sorry, we enter the value is 3. First node is 5, second node is 6, third node is 7, and we insert and this 8. Let's 8 is insert in the end of the node. Again we execute again this. Now we insert the 10 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We insert the 58 in the last of linked list. Then 58 insert in the last of the linked list. Thank you so much.